Yeah, I knew you'd like that one. That was real fun to write. Imagine sitting in your house alone, writing that. It's fucking bullshit. If you don't believe me, try it. Homeland Security. All of us are different, he queried. Absolutely, I responded. Then we're all of us the same, he said. He led me through a realm of death which taught me how to catch my breath. I demonstrated how to laugh and how to live with nothing left. He showed me dreams, the broken vase. We trod on synchronistic paths. He showered me with depth and swore there'd be more in the aftermath. He shared with me the space I craved and shaved the whiskers off my fraud. He played the whirling dervish card by laughing when I sighed, shit's hard. They made me flee, which wasn't fair. I didn't care. I still like the stars.